This is a childhood favourite. It's one of the first things that I learned to cook when I was a kid. When I got in from school, age 14, and I cooked tea for me and my brother, I would do a fish finger sandwich. Kids, this one is for you. You will need fish fingers, bread, potato waffles, carrot, cucumber, tomato, lettuce, mayonnaise, vinegar, and a bit of sugar. 2 bowls, oven tray, peeler, grater, spoon, knife, and an oven. I'm gonna make 2 sandwiches. You want 3 fish fingers per sandwich. 2 times 3 is 6. I've got GCSE maths. And then potato waffles, 1 per sandwich, okay? Then these go into the oven, 10 minutes. Now we're looking for a little bit of healthiness. Half a cucumber here. Gonna peel it, but I wanna keep the peelings. These little cucumber strips. And in the middle of the cucumber are seeds. Now those seeds are really wet. Don't want a soggy sandwich. So you're left with that. You don't want that anymore. In fact, you can have it as a snack whilst you're making this. Once you've made your cucumber ribbony strip things, 1½ teaspoons caster sugar. And then on the top of that, vinegar, 7 or 8 good splashes. You'll see the sugar start to dissolve, and then just mix it up a bit. And to go with it, coleslaw. But this is like a Blag Cheats coleslaw. Grate your carrot, and then to go with it, lettuce. Now, when you're slicing, always remember your thumb behind your fingers. Hold it right at the back of what you're gonna slice. Put your fingers at the front, and then you can use your fingers as the guide so that your knife won't cut your fingers. Gonna put into that 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. A little mix. 10 minutes are done. I'm just gonna flip them over. Stick them back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Whilst they're cooking, butter your bread. I'm using Hovis Best of Both. Thinly sliced tomato, put that as the first layer. And then a nice spoonful of your coleslaw. Fish fingers and waffles are ready. 3 fish fingers per sandwich. Then on top of that, this is the thing that makes the sandwich mega, the waffle. Then some of the cucumber. Next in, stick the lid on. Give it a squish. I mean, that looks lovely. That's like a picture that you get in a burger shop, right? When you look at the menu and you go, oh, that looks amazing. But it's also ridiculous. Instagram, reality. Instagram, reality. Squish it, cut it in half. The thing is, because it's got squishy stuff in it, you need to eat that straight away. That is the ultimate mega fish finger butty. Why don't you show me how you got along using the hashtag #fulltimemeals and visit the page where there's loads more recipes.